Being an artist, trying to make a career in this niche, it sucks to be unproductive. There's just some times when I can't seem to bring myself in front of the easel. And it's just, it's painful. What I figured out though was most of the time I was just not doing something that I'm proud of. I'm just not doing something that I enjoy. And this might sound ironic because apparently I'm this years old now and I still love doing art. As much as I can remember, I was about 6 or 7 years old and I'm already drawing a lot. I mean, I love drawing. I love art. But perhaps I would be able to enjoy it more if it's less problematic for me, or at least, if I can solve the problems in painting or drawing more efficiently. Why is this a relevant topic though? Why does it matter? Of course, if I am sitting or standing in front of the canvas or paper for a couple of hours and it's just torturous, I mean, most of us would rather watch a good movie, read a good book, play games or whatnot, because it seems to be more enjoyable, right? So, to be fair, it's not laziness. More precisely, it's just that you know that it's not worth your time and energy. The truth is, you want to make something more grand and masterful. Am I right? Did I nail it? But no matter how you're trying, it's just not coming out right. Or perfect, if we can say that. It's kind of an ego problem. Most of us aren't skilled enough, yet we're too ambitious. We're thinking that as good as we are, we already should be producing ethereal stuffs. Perhaps what we need to do is be more forgiving to ourselves. Let her or him take this road first. Do some simple but controlled works on your own pace and capability. We still need to be frustrated a lot more. Fail more. Lose some of ourselves, so to speak, in the process. Just keep showing. Keep doing the work even if it's not perfect. Have some humility and don't think that you're a god like that. Whatever you envision, you can just execute it flawlessly. No. But maybe by doing so, it would be a step easier with each tries. Who knows?